Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're going to ask the big question: what's your muffler number? There are 5 numbers for our Grumman line. What's yours? So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this is what it looks like in the maintenance manual, and all our muffler cans are pretty much the same, but for the different airplanes between the AA1, the 1A, 1B, 1C, 2 versions for the Traveler Cheetah, and then for the Tiger, we have 5 different numbers for our aircraft. And let's go over those real quickly because you want to make sure that when you go to get a muffler, you get the right number. Now, it used to be that when you wanted a muffler, you simply called up Fletcher. They ordered you one, you sent your core in to Dolly, and then you got back a overhauled muffler. And they had to have at least one piece of your muffler to overhaul. But now with new PMA rules, many years ago it became you just called up Fletcher, said I need a muffler 137, and they sent you the muffler for your Yankee, just like that. Because they kept them on the shelf. They would just call up Dolly, and you didn't have to send a core anymore. You could just order it as a PMA product. And that's what we did all the way through the line. Now they've been bought by Aerospace, and they are not yet have their full PMA for making an exhaust, so you can call them up and they can produce you one, and they don't need a core or anything. They just produce your muffler can. If you need the risers and the bead clamps, they have that as well. So things have changed a little bit. We're waiting on Fletcher. They're waiting on their last order from Larry Dolly when it was Dolly, so that they can stock their shelves. But their shelves are empty. My shelves are empty. So if you need a muffler right now, stay tuned while I go over the numbers that you'll need. Stand by. So if you've got an original Yankee, you have a muffler 137. For the 1A, 1B, and 1C that have the mufflers that go out like the normal hole in the cowling, then you have a 113. If you have an early Traveler, you have a 148. If you have a later model Traveler and a Cheetah, you have a 195. And finally, if you've got a Tiger, AG5B or AA5B, you need a 191. So those are the 5 muffler numbers if you need to call up Dolly. So I know I said Dolly, but I meant to say Aerospace Welding, and their number, should you need them, you're going to be speaking to them now at, let's see, you'll be talking to Charlie at Aerospace, and their number is 651-379-9888. Call them up and tell them what number you need if you need risers for your airplane as well as bead clamps. So folks, I know that sounds very complicated for something as simple as an exhaust system, but we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.